Sixth question. The ratio of the present ages of Abba and her mother is 2:5. At the time of Abba's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abba and her mother. Now they had given a ratio. That statement we will write again. The ratio of the present ages of Abba and her mother is 2:5. So the ratio of the present ages of Abba and mother is equal to 2:5. I told you earlier in one question, when the ratio is given, then we say there must be a common multiple. Okay, why this common multiple has to exist? Because the ages are given in the form of a ratio, and each of those terms of that ratio is multiplying with this common multiple. Now we don't know what that common multiple is, so what we will do, we will consider that common multiple as x. So let the common multiple be x. Therefore this 2 into x will be the present age of Abba, and 5 into x will be the present age of the mother. Okay, so the present age of Abba is equal to 2 into x, which is 2x, and the present age of the mother will be 5 into x, which is 5x. Now a statement is given here. At the time of Abba's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Now using this statement, we have to write the condition here. So we will take an example here, that if suppose your age today is 15 years and your mother's age is 40 years. So if we were to find out what was the age of your mother at the time of your birth, how will we find out? We will subtract your age from your mother's age, that is 40 minus 15, which is 25. So your mother was 25 years at the time of your birth. So same way here, they have said at the time of Abba's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Now the present age of the mother is 5x, present age of Abba is 2x. So to find out what was the mother's age using 5x and 2x, how will we find it? When we were talking about mother's age as 40 and your age is 15, so it was 40 minus 15. So here we will do 5x minus 2x. So we write here 5x minus 2x. It is equal to what? What was the mother's age at the time of Abba's birth? They gave 27 years. So we write here 27. So the condition will be 5. According to the given condition, the equation will be 5x minus 2x is 27. Now we can subtract 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. 3x is equal to 27. So x is equal to 27. This 3 comes to the denominator. So upon 3. 3 goes in 27 9 times. Therefore x is equal to 9. Now we have got the value of x, but we had said the present age of Abba is 2x and present age of mother is 5x, and we had to find out the present ages of Abba and the mother. So we will substitute the value of x and find out the ages of Abba and the mother. Abba is 2x, so 2 into x, which is 2 into 9, which is 18 years. Present age of the mother is 5x, that is 5 into 9. 5 into 9, which is 45 years. So present age of Abba is 18 years and present age of her mother is 45 years.